Leaving Suriname.
Taxiway Alpha to hold the point runway 11. Wind 070 degrees at 10 knots, QNH 1014, time 1253.
Right, copy, then we'll be taxied momentarily. Line up runway 11, November 478, Charlie Victor. November 478, Charlie Victor, we are ready.
November 478 Charlie Victor, after departure, make an immediate left turn. On course, climb high level 300.
Charlie Victor.
Hotel Charlie Kilo, Roger. Contact control 123, that's Manai. Good luck.
Wow, it's heavy. Very, very heavy. And hot.
Hotel Golf Charlie Tower.
Go ahead.
Hotel Golf Charlie, continue with control 123, that's Manai. Good luck.
139er, thank you.
November 478 Charlie Victor, airborne 1300, report passing Bravo 120.
With the reports, one passing 10, November 478, Charlie Victor.
We're expecting thunderstorms here in the next few hours.
Very heavy thunderstorm.
Heavy thunderstorms.
Very heavy thunderstorm, yeah. Like yesterday, it was very, very heavy. And you can see they're starting to build up already. They're expecting it in 3 hours, and that would be pretty big. You can see a very big one there already. Yeah.
But we've decided to get out of Suriname pretty early this morning. And now we're on our way to Canouan.
Correct.
Okay, so TVSC.
It's very hot. And we're pretty heavy, so we're climbing like a little dog, but we'll be good.
21 degrees,
Well, here.
4,900 feet, 5,000 feet.
Flight level 300, passing on flight level 103.
November 470 Charlie Victor, control Roger, good morning. Report estimate Gekon.
Gekon, estimate
November
Gekon.
470 Charlie Victor, control Roger, good morning. Report estimate Gekon.
I will give you the estimate Gekos in a few minutes.
Control Roger, report reaching level 300 and send by estimate Gekon.
We'll report once we reach 300 and we'll let you know also about Gekos shortly.
Aramargo.
Runway 13, continue. Wind is 130.11. Visibility 10 knots, temperature 28, 2.25. QNH 1014, and scatter clouds at 1800.
Thank you, sir.
When ready, descend to flight level 150. Stand by for your request for the GPS.
Thank you. Descending to 150 when ready. 478 Charlie Victor.
Got it on the camera. Oh, it's a bug on the screen, on the window probably. The bug on the window. A good camera.
November 478 to Charlie Victor, you're number 1 in traffic circuit for landing runway 13 Canouan.
Thank you, ma'am.
November 478 Charlie Victor, cleared for down of runway 13. Report to Beirut inbound. Are the field in sight for visual?
We report once the field is visual. 478 Charlie Victor.
November 478 Charlie Victor, roger, report your passing level.
Passing now 6,300. 478 Charlie Victor.
8 Charlie Victor, roger, report inbound.
Will do.
November 61 November Charlie, that's the number 1 traffic, just should be coming about Beam Beirut at this time inbound.
We copy 61 November Charlie.
November 61 November Charlie, requested distance to Canouan.
Okay, just repeat for us.
Distance, your distance to Canouan.
Okay, we 14 miles from Canouan.
November 61 November Charlie, right.
And 478 Charlie Victor, we are established on the anti-PSL approach, passing Beirut and on track for runway 13.
November 478 Charlie Victor, roger, report Ilaco and the field in sight.
Reported Ilaco, all field in sight. With 478 Charlie Victor. 78 Charlie Victor.
Roger, report on a 2 miles final.
Passing 1,800 and about to pass over Ilaco.
November Charlie Victor, out of 1800 at Ilaco, roger. Clear to land, runway 13 to new, surface wind 120 degrees, 13 knots.
The number 1 traffic and 61 November Charlie. And what's the position of the number 1 traffic now?
November Charlie Victor, report your position, please.
We are 1.4 miles from Grenadines.
November Charlie, you copy?
Roger, we copy 61 November Charlie.
November Charlie, that traffic is touched down, report your position.
Runway.
Did you see the ISO?
November Charlie.